All right, we have some breaking inputs coming in. So while the Prime Minister is reassuring the nation on meeting energy needs, the opposition continues to question the centre, and Rahul Gandhi has upped the ante. Rahul Gandhi has put a post. He's back to the compromised raga, says Prime Minister working on US and Israel's instruction. So you had the Prime Minister first speak in Lok Sabha, then Rajya Sabha, giving assurances, reassuring the country that we are meeting the energy needs. Rahul Gandhi, meanwhile, continues to question. He says, and I quote, "The country's foreign policy is compromised today because PM himself is compromised. Modi only does what America and Israel want him to do. Modi can never make decisions in India's interest, and this is clearly evident." Let's go across to Niyamika for more on this. Niyamika, this comes at a time when the Prime Minister has already addressed both houses of the Parliament, reassuring that we continue to maintain our energy supplies and meet our energy needs.
Well, yes, indeed, we have seen it how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given an official statement both in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha in the past 2 days. We have seen that how the politics has also started over the same, because now the sharp attack is coming in on the part of leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who has spoken to media in Parliament, in which he has basically slammed the government of India, stating that the country's foreign policy is compromised today, as he has basically made this attack against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, stating that it is Prime Minister himself who has got compromised, as it is the Prime Minister Narendra Modi who does what America and Israel want him to do, as Modi can never make decisions in India's interest, as this is clearly evident. In fact, he has also gone on to say, while speaking to media, that India's foreign policy isn't a national foreign policy now. It has basically become Narendra Modi's personal PR project, which he has called a global joke. So this is basically a sharp attack which is being made on the part of leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as we have been seeing that how this compromise jibe has been continuously being taken on the part of Rahul Gandhi against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The way in which this entire crisis has been tackled by the government of India, the Congress party is continuously raising questions regarding this entire matter, and that is what is being stated by Rahul Gandhi today.
Well, Niyamika, do stay on with us. It's not just Rahul Gandhi. There are more reactions coming in. The Congress party questioning the centre. And here's a post put out by Mr. Jairam Ramesh. This is what he says. The PM spoke on West Asia in Rajya Sabha this afternoon for about 20 minutes. After his statement in Lok Sabha yesterday, the opposition was not allowed to seek any clarifications after he had read out his statement in Rajya Sabha. As expected, it was a prepared text full of self-praise for all that he claims to have accomplished in the last 11 years. There was also some hypocrisy when he called for cooperation from all states whose constitutional rights are continually being trampled upon. When he asked states to protect migrant workers after destroying Manrega, which had been a lifeline for them during the COVID-19 pandemic, and when he called upon the states to implement the PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, which is founded on the this is a long post of Jairam Ramesh. Basically, he's hitting out at the Prime Minister, saying that the opposition was not allowed to seek any clarification. The Prime Minister just read his speech, which Jairam Ramesh claims is full of self-praise. Now, let's listen into Rahul Gandhi. I believe we have a reaction coming in.
हमारी जो foreign policy है, this is Prime Minister Modi's personal foreign policy. You can see the result of this. It's a universal joke. Everybody considers it a universal joke. Donald Trump knows exactly what Mr. Modi can do and what Mr. Modi cannot do. So, if the Prime Minister is compromised, our foreign policy is compromised. It's obvious. तो सबको दिख रहा है. US deal कर दी. कल मतलब इररिलेवेंट भाषण कर दिया. मतलब इंडिया का प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, इंडिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं, दिखना चाहिए कि हिंदुस्तान के प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं. पोजीशन क्या है? कोई पोजीशन ही नहीं है. तो और दुख की बात है कि इसका नुकसान होगा लोगों को. अभी शुरुआत हुई है. LPG, पेट्रोल, फर्टिलाइजर, सब चीज़ में प्रॉब्लम आएगी. ठीक है, मोदी जी ने कह दिया कि कोविड जैसा समय आने वाला है. कोविड में जो किया था वो तो भूल गए हैं. कितने लोग मरे थे, क्या ट्रेजेडीज हुई थी, तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है बेसिकली।
ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग बुलाई गई है मैम, कल 5 बजे ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग है। आपको लगता है देर हो चुकी है ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग में?
नहीं, अब मैं तो वहाँ नहीं हूँगा क्योंकि मेरा तो केरला में प्रोग्राम है। देखिए, ठीक है, ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग बुलाई है, डिबेट होना चाहिए, बट आपने स्ट्रक्चरल गलती कर दी है, आपने पूरा ढांचा उड़ा दिया है। ठीक है, अब उसको आप ठीक नहीं कर सकते हैं, उसको ठीक करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा और प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी तो कर ही नहीं सकते। मैं आपको लिख के दे रहा हूँ, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जो अमेरिका कहेगा और जो इजराइल कहेगा वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी करेंगे। वो हिंदुस्तान के इंटरेस्ट में काम नहीं करेंगे, किसानों के इंटरेस्ट में काम नहीं करेंगे, वो जो अमेरिका और जो इजराइल कहेगा वो करेंगे, आप देख लेना।
So Rahul Gandhi there, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, taking a jibe at the Prime Minister, calling him compromised, and he says the Prime Minister does what US and Israel ask him to do.